everyone, of me is Realme C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, access Play Store over here and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type in DevCheck and install this free app, Device Check Hardware and System Info from this developer. Then tap on Open. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Realme's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!